Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on RPCS3. First, you will need to download the RPCS3 emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, extract the compressed file to a folder of your choice. Next, it is crucial to acquire the PlayStation 3 system firmware directly from Sony's official support page. After downloading, open RPCS3, navigate to the File menu, and select Install Firmware to complete this essential step. This prepares your emulator for game playback. For smooth gameplay, your computer should have at least 4 CPU cores and 8 threads. Within RPCS3's CPU settings, set both the PPU and SPU decoders to recompiler LLVM for the best emulation. If you encounter slow motion or choppy audio, try adjusting the preferred SPU threads to 1, 2, or 3, especially if your CPU has fewer than 12 threads. A dedicated graphics card, like an NVIDIA GTX 400, is also highly recommended. To optimize your graphics, go to the GPU settings and choose Vulkan as your renderer. It generally offers better performance. Make sure to disable anti-aliasing and enable right color buffers to prevent common visual glitches. You can increase the resolution scale to 150% for a sharper 1080 pixel display if your graphics card can handle it. Finally, install your Skate 3 game file, whether it's a PKG or ISO, directly through the emulator's file menu. Setting up your controller is straightforward. Just go to the Pads section and select your input type, like X input for Xbox controllers. If you experience audio stuttering, try enabling audio buffering or adjusting the SPU thread count. Should the game run in slow motion, recheck your preferred SPU thread setting, as this often resolves the issue. Lastly, if you see bright ground textures, confirm that right color buffers is enabled in your GPU settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.